Wish you all a very happy morning. In today's video, we shall learn about circle standard 10 CBSE. Standard 10 circle is all about tangents to a circle. Already you have learned about it, tangents to a circle. If a line touches a circle exactly at one point, this is called tangent, and point A is called point of contact. Suppose PT is the tangent and A is the point of contact, O is the center of the circle, O is the radius at the point of contact. So what we all have learned about the circle is that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent to the point of contact. Another theorem is that from an external point we can draw two tangents to a circle and the length of these tangents are equal. Suppose PA and PB are two tangents to a circle with center O, then PA is equal to PB. We have learned about this also. And the third theorem what we have learned is, suppose PA and PB are two tangents to a circle from an external point, PA and PB, and O is the center of the circle. The line passing through or the line joining the point P to the center of the circle, okay, makes, now these two tangents makes equal angle with this line OP, means angle OPA is equal to angle OPB. Now we shall use the theorems we have learned to solve some questions. Here is a question. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point P. PA and PB are two tangents drawn to a circle from an external point P. We have AB, we have joined, and also we have joined OA. In the question, what we have to prove? Angle APB is twice angle OAB. So you have to write the given. Your given you can write very clearly that PA and PB are two tangents to a circle. For the circle we write the symbol COR, means C is the circle, center O and the radius R. COR. To prove, we require to prove angle APB is equal to twice angle OAB. Okay, so there is no construction, we are not taking any constructions, but we shall use the theorems we have learned for this. What theorem we have learned for this is radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. We can write, so we can write OA is perpendicular to AP. You can write the theorem radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. So this is your theorem. We have used OA equal to OP. This means that angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Let angle OAB is X. We are supposing this is X. Let angle OAB is equal to X degree. Now in triangle PAB, what we have? PA is equal to PB. Why? You know that tangents from an external point are equal in length. Therefore, we can write angle PAB is equal to angle PBA. But angle PAB is equal to 90 degree minus x. We can see here angle PAB is 90 degree minus x because PAO is 90 degree where OAB is x, so PAB is 90 degree minus x. Therefore we can write angle PAB is equal to angle PBA is equal to 90 degree minus x. Now in the same triangle we have angle APB is equal to 180 degree minus angle PAB plus angle PBA. That is the formula for the third angle of a triangle. So we can write here 180 degree minus PAB is 90 degree minus x degree plus 90 degree minus x degree. So it is giving you 180 degree minus 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So it is 180 degree minus 180 degree and minus x is minus 2x and minus is plus 2x degree. So you are cancelling it. So you are getting angle APB is equal to twice angle x is angle, already we have taken x is angle OAB, and this you had to prove, hence proved. Okay boys,